Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the perfect makeover for this shade of hair. Yeah, you heard me right. I'm going to be showing you the perfect and cutest makeover while carrying this shade of hair. So if you're new here, my name is Jessy Emebo and I'm your one plug for makeup, beauty and style. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button over there and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. So stay with me while I go into the video proper. So welcome back guys. So I'm going to be showing you the best makeover for this shade of hair. Yeah, the best makeover for this shade of hair, how to keep it simple and at the same time classy. So for the rest of the video I'm going to be switching over to the voiceover mode, so stay with me and please watch this video to the end because you're definitely gonna learn something new. So I started by wiping my face. Next, I moved to filling in my brows. For the brow, I made use of a pencil brow liner. As you can see, I'm giving it a light stroke. Then after that, I switched over to the gel liner. I made use of Huda Beauty and I'm using the spoolie to fill in my brows. Next, I cleaned up my brow using LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. I am trying to make the brow look all neat and smooth. So I made use of LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. Then for the upper brow, I made use of Beautiful Bronze LA Girl Pro Concealer and I started blending out. Next, I moved to the eyeshadow. I first applied a transition shade and after that I made use of a pigmented gold eyeshadow. As you can see, I'm making use of the tip of my finger to apply it because I wanted it to be well pronounced. So that is the secret. If you want when using a pigmented eyeshadow, it's advisable for you to make use of your finger because it makes it stay and easier. Next, I lined my eyes. I made use of a gel liner. And after that, I moved to applying the foundation. As you can see, I've already fixed in my lashes. Guys, if you want to see a video on how to fix your lashes and the easy way of fixing your lashes, I will drop the video I made about fixing your lashes at the description box below. Next, I highlighted my face. I made use of a very light shade of concealer. I made use of classic concealer for this and I started blending with the beauty blender and after that I contoured my face. I made use of a dark shade of foundation for contouring my face because I wanted it to look very defined, and after that I used the setting powder to bake my face. But if you notice, I switched the setting powder to use a translucent brown powder to bake my face also because I didn't want the face to look too bright, so I switched that. Next, I moved to my lips. I went for a darker lip and after that I tuned it down with a red lipstick because I wanted it to look a bit light and then a bit dark. So I tuned it down with a red lipstick and I started smudging my lips. Next, I did the finishing touches. I brushed my brow. As you can see, my brow is looking lighter than when I started. I added a bit of concealer to the brow to make it look lighter, and after that I started blending the setting powder in using my palette powder in Banos. All the products used will be at the description box below, so you can check that after the video. After that, I applied my highlighter to my cheekbones. I I wanted the highlighter to pop, so that is why you're seeing it. It's very obvious there. And next I started blending it in. So after that, I recontoured my nose. I made use of not so dark powder to contour my nose. I didn't want it to look so defined. And next I started blending in. Like I wanted everything to stay in, to look perfect and classy. So that's that about this look. I really enjoyed every step of creating this look. It was really fun. Like I've never been on a honey blonde hair before, so I found this very interesting, working on my face and trying to create the perfect look for this hair. And hey guys, I've got lovely videos on how to style your short hair. Please check them out, and also don't forget to hit on the subscribe button over there, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. See you same time. Bye.